Wow! Yes! Please subscribe. Please like. We need pink sheet, pink foam sheet, scissor, pink marker, any pen, scale and glue. 13 centimeters asterisk 8 centimeters. So let's start. Please leave a comment if you like my video. Thank you. For centimeters asterisk 10 centimeters. Please subscribe, like, and share.